Hi everyone, my name is Celia. In this video, I would like to show you how to use this digital signage system. Please go to the website address showed in the screen. Type in your user ID and password, then click Sign in to log in. First of all, I would like to show you how to add a new content. Click the New Content button to create a new content. Please give a new name to your content and select a right proportion. Horizontal view, please select 1920 x 1080 pixel. Vertical view, please select 1080 x 1920 pixel. Then please click this image icon. In this window, please click Upload and click Choose File. Then select any image you want to upload. Please make sure your image is 1920 x 1080 pixel for the best proportion and quality. Then click Upload to start the process of upload. Then 3 images will show in the list. Tick images that you want to show in loop, click Add button. You can type width or height by yourself, or you simple just tick the full screen box. Effect time is mean the image transition fade in and fade out time. Then tick OK. You can set the play time and set more scene if you like. Click Save to save this content. You can publish to your player if you have one. If you don't, you can click back and publish it later on. In this content page, you can preview your content or publish it. Please click Player in the menu and select Player Monitor to check you have a player or not. Please contact us if you don't have one. If you want to publish your content, please click Content, then click Manage in the Manage page. Please click Publish. Select your player. Default expiration time is 1 year. You can set any time you want. Click OK to confirm. Please let your player keep online. The player will download the content automatically when the player online. Click Player and click Player Info. You can see the uploaded content is here. You can click the player ID to show the player detail. Click Screenshot to show what's showing in the player. Click the player name to show the content list. You can delete content in this page. Now, let me show you the player which uploaded content. In this content we uploaded 3 pictures. The player will show these 3 pictures in loop until the expiration time. Now, let me show you how to add a content with video. Click New in Content page. Also, give content a name and set a right proportion. You can add video directly, but I want to show you some special techniques. Upload a pre-made image. Add the image to resource and set it full screen. After that, upload a video. In this demo, I would like to upload an advertisement video. It may take some time to upload a video. Add it to resources, but this time, you don't need to send it to full screen. You can adjust the video to fit into the white box. You can publish it now, but I suggest you see the preview first. It looked good. Okay, it's fine. Let's publish it to the player. It will take some time to download a content with video. Fortunately, you just need to download it once at the beginning. Now, let's see the final outcome. Thanks for watching.